God Shiv and Goddess Umya had two sons, Kartikeya and Ganesh. One day, Ganesh and Kartikeya argued about who was the stronger. Ganesh: I am stronger. Kartikeya: I am stronger. Watching them arguing, Umya ji said, You both go around the world for pradakshina. Who comes first will be the stronger. Kartikeya bowed down to the mother and started his journey. Ganesh was confused about starting his journey because of his big belly and heavy body. Suddenly, he got an idea. He said, Mata, please sit here. At that time, God Shiv arrived and asked, What are you doing, Ganesh, and where is Kartikeya? Umya ji said to God Shiv, Both are in a race. One who comes first will be the stronger. For that, they have to go around the world. God Shiv asked Ganesh, When will you start your journey? Ganesh smiled and said, Please sit here beside mother. God Shiv did as Ganesh said. As God Shiv and Mother Umya sat down, Ganesh started moving around them. He moved 68 times around his parents. Then he bowed down to his parents and said, My journey to go around the world is complete. God Shiv praised his wisdom and declared him the winner. Kartikeya came after some time and bowed down to his parents. He was surprised to see Ganesh as the winner. He asked, How did you become the winner? Ganesh replied, Our world is our parents. So I moved around them. So I am the winner.